Hello guys, hope you guys are doing fine today. Coming to our analysis, we discussed yesterday about Nifty 50 index to remain sideways today, and the reason to say this was by the observation I made on every expiry from 6 to 7 months that the particular index for that day majorly about 80 to 90% of the time doesn't give a move that day, and for that I also told you guys the reason as to how to overcome this issue. That is by doing scalpings only, and not to hold your trades to expect any huge returns costs. The probability of that happening during an expiry has reduced drastically now and has just become option sellers' time when it's expiry. Today, Nifty 50 remained completely sideways with sudden spikes and then again consolidating. With these spikes, any trader will get psychologically impacted if he or she decided to hold their trades during the expiry days of the indices. If we observe the 1040 candle, then we notice that the market was indicating huge selling indication, however. If you guys watched the yesterday's video, then you would have seen that there was our zone from where the market actually came down to take support and suddenly made a 44-point upward spike again. And these kind of spikes during expiry will grow traders' capital invested by easily more than 50% and vice versa also. Now coming to the chart, we can notice that Nifty 50 is at all-time high, and we know that it's hard to predict what can be its resistance, however. The market is making it evident where its major support is above is the support zone which the market made and might look to give a good fall if in case it breaks that support zone. A good support zone is there from 22,461 to 22433, and in case it breaks down this zone and sustains, then we can have a fall of 35 to 40 point in Nifty 50. I will make another zone now. Banknifty, as discussed in yesterday's video, today the market wasn't ideal to trade as the zones were too big, and in these scenarios the market will end its day by just consolidating by making small candles with no trend. And as we know that these ideal for any option seller to enjoy the decay of the premiums. Now in the chart, I will make the updated zones for Banknifty. Trade accordingly. Now, moving on to Finifty, if you guys have watched the previous video, then I told that the market made a trend line and may look to respect it, and that is what exactly happened today. Market opened and came to the trend line and took a good support and a huge spike on the upside, and again came multiple times to that level and took support later in the session. We that it was also taking support of both the zones which was marked yesterday, and any of you who have analyzed their trades according to that, then they would have made money in Finifty by the zones and candlesticks. Now I will make the updated zones for the next trading session I.E on Monday, since tomorrow is a holiday. Happy Shivaratri, guys, and enjoy it with you friends and family tomorrow. Okay, guys, CYA in the next video. Good night.